This is the Sharkbite disconnect tongue. This tool has only one function, is to disconnect the Sharkbite connection, like this. When you push, it will squeeze the plastic part, and then open up the metal teeth, you can disconnect. Also, we have this tool to disconnect the connections. But there's a problem for this one. After you use this for several times, your fingers will be very painful because you need to push this one really hard, and here all the sharp edges will make your finger really tired and really hurt. So if you only need to disconnect one or two, you can use this tool. But if you need to disconnect a lot of them, even 5 or 6, you'd better get this tool for better grab and doesn't hurt your finger. You just put this one in and push. The plastic will be squeezed in. You don't need to use a finger to push this really hard. One more thing to mention that it got different size just by the most common size you're gonna using. For example, this is the 3/4. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.